Hello everyone, it's Tim from Discovering the High Life. This is another travel vlog. We are in Camboriú, Brazil still. So this is our second day and we're heading to the cable car, but traffic here is a little crazy. Check it out. According to the 2020 census, the population here is about 146,000, but the population swells to over 1 million in the summertime. And hey, it is summer right now, so it's really busy. Like December and January are the busiest months here. This city is known for its high rises and beautiful beaches, and there's plenty of both. We're going to show you the beaches in a minute, but check out all these high rises through here. We're only about 3 minutes away from our destination. Just trying to figure out where to park now. It's kind of hard to see from the video, but there is a lot of nice boats over there. Now we're looping around, still trying to find a place to park. This is the famous Avenida Atlântica. All right, the cable car goes up and over that hill straight ahead. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can try to see it.
I don't know how long is the line. Look at the line.
Wow, well, we made it to the cable car, but as you can see, and probably hear, it's really windy, so unfortunately it's closed. But anyway, we'll take some video of it and show it to you. And we're right next to the beach, so we're just going to enjoy the beach. Just about any city you go to in Brazil, they have really cool patterns on the sidewalks. Well, we found the beach access point, so let's go check it out. All right, well, the cable car is over there, but like I said, it's closed to the wind, so you can rent a chair for 10 bucks, table for 5, and we got some cold amps to light for 6 each. That's in reais, of course. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here and enjoy the beach for a while. Hey, here we are at the food court at the mall here in Brazil, and we found this awesome Italian place, made to order. Check it out. It was about $10 for both of these plates of food. Pretty good.
Hey, Papa, what are you doing?
I am taking some night photos of the city. Check it out.
Wow.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next episode. Cheers.